Control Techniques, a Nidec brand, have been at the front of customer-focused drive technology for over 40 years. In February 2017, Control Techniques joined the Nidec Corporation. They're now part of operations in over 40 countries, connected to approximately 300 companies who employ over 110,000 people. Control Techniques have recently installed 2 new collaborative robots onto their manufacturing line in Newtown. A collaborative robot, also known as a cobot, is a robot that is capable of learning multiple tasks so it can assist human beings. Both cobots have been installed by leading collaborative robot integrators Ricoh Automation. Ricoh, based in the heart of Mid-Wales, supply customers with solutions in automating systems using human-robot collaboration. The 2 new UR3 collaborative robots are assisting the Control Techniques team with pick and placing components onto printed circuit boards. The cobots have an accuracy of 0.1 millimeters, which has greatly improved the placing of the parts. The operators that were previously working on these manual tasks have now taken up less labor-intensive and repetitive duties elsewhere in the factory. It's proven with factories that implement automation that they become more productive. This statement is very true within Control Techniques. Productivity has increased on their production line. Therefore, more units are being produced every day, which has required additional staff to be employed further down the production line.